Hi Fixer family, it's Charmin, and today is day 6 of the 12 days of Dollar Tree Christmas. And I have another fun Dollar Tree project for you. And this one is going to be a little chilly. Welcome to Fixin' 2. Well guys, today I am making a super cute wreath, and this one is going to go in my granddaughter's room here at our house. She has a white Christmas tree, and it is such a cute Christmas tree. We have Barbie ornaments on it, and so it's a very girly tree, and it has this beautiful pink kind of a, I don't know what you would call that, iridescent, maybe I'm not real sure what kind of fabric you would call this, pink, just really super pretty ribbon on it. And this I got last year at Big Lots, and so this was definitely a wonderful find. I've got plenty of ribbon left, so we're going to use this ribbon on this wreath. But the fun thing, being a little chilly, that we're going to use is going to be snowflakes. Now these snowflakes come from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, the packs here that we've got of them, we've got some that are kind of more of a white color, and then those that are a little more of the opaque kind of color with glitter, tons of glitter. I just getting them out of the packages. I've got glitter everywhere. But what's Christmas without glitter, right? So we're going to make this fun wreath to go in her room. And what I've done is, ahead of time, taken one of these wreath forms from the Dollar Tree, and I've spray painted it white. So now I'm ready to start making this wreath. Let's get started. Now what we're going to do is, of course, I'm taking my wreath form, and typically we use the wreath forms with the curved side up, being the front of the wreath. But for this one, we're going to flip it over to where it's kind of got the little bowed side up. And so we're just going to center it right here, and then we're going to take, we've got the packs that I'm going to be using are the 10 ornaments and the one with 6, which is a medium size. So a small and medium size snowflakes. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my small snowflakes, both the white and the clear, and we're going to put them on here every other one. And I want to kind of lay them out first before we glue them down. So let's go ahead and start laying them out, every other one being the white and then being the more opaque clear. Alright, now that we have those on there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue them down. Now we've got all of our snowflakes, the small snowflakes on the bottom row. Now I'm going to just go ahead and place the next row that I'm going to do. Now all of those are down, and so now we're going to use the medium sized one, and we're going to go the ones that we did, the every other one that we missed, we're going to go in with the bigger ones. Doesn't that just look so pretty? So now let's add our bow. Here we go. We're going to, and I'm going to just eyeball this. I'm not going to measure or anything, but kind of want about, I don't know what that would be, probably about a 5-inch loop here, and I'm just going to pinch it together right here. And then taking and going underneath like this. Let's see if I can turn it this way. Take and go underneath, and before I pinch it together, I'm going to pull up, making sure my loops are even, and then go at it. And I'm going to do 4 loops on each side. Now before I actually put my zip tie into it, I'm going to add 2 tails to it. So we're going to put that under here, under my thumb, as 1. And we'll go back in and dovetail here in just a minute. And, whoop, dropped it. 2, they don't have to be perfect in the length that they are, because we're going to be cutting them off anyway to the size that we want and dovetailing them. So, because we only got 1 hand. So now I'm ready to take my zip tie, put it up in there, pulling it as tight as I can before letting go. Don't pull it too super tight. Make sure that you're in the center. You've got everything in there that you need. Let's move it over a little bit. That's close for government work. Pull it tight. Take your scissors, push down on it alright, and now we fluff. We've put a little glue on it, but I'm going to make sure that it stays and everything, so we're going to use another zip tie. So what I'm going to do is just kind of thread it through. Ooh, the glue is not holding, so good thing to do the zip tie. So we're going to take it and let's thread it through all the way through to the back of the wired wreath, back up through on the snowflake, and let's zip tie that puppy down. Now let's fluff our bow. There you go. Well, I am covered in glitter, glitter everywhere, but this was so fun and so easy to do. We've got about $6 in this wreath, if that, and it turned out beautiful, and I know that this is going to make a beautiful statement in Harper's bedroom. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that y'all decided to stop by. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss a single one of the rest of our 12 days of Dollar Tree Christmas. This was day 6, so we are halfway through and I am having a blast. Make sure that you go back and you check out all the others that we've done so far. I'll make sure that I have that playlist linked in the iCards for you. And make sure that you also, I've got some other fun Christmas things that I've done leading up to the 12 days of Christmas. So I'll have that playlist linked up there for you as well. Well, guys, you have just been so awesome. I hope you've been enjoying so far what we've been doing. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you really are liking this, and it helps my channel out so much. Also, leave me a comment below and let me know how you like the way that this turned out. Again, super simple, hot glue, some ornaments, some ribbon, and you're good to go. And I am so glad that y'all are joining me for this fun. Well, you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and always remember to keep looking up, because that's where it all is. I'll see you on the next video.